Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add calendar in Trello. So let's start. First, what you want to do, let's disable this. Click here on menu and power-ups and right here calendar. You see it here. Now you would just want to add it. Okay. And you can see like this calendar is just amazing and plenty of people are using it. So now let's go back, and you can see it here, calendar. When I'm going to click on it, you see it here that in calendar you can see when you should, what you should do, and you can change it by week and whatever. So it's like really simple, really cool. And when I'm like how it works, okay, I'm going to show you. So let's say that I'm going to put on 29th of February. This one here, let's go with the due date, 29th of February. Okay, save it. Now, when we have it here, when I click on the calendar, you can see it here. Or you can see it by week. So you can see the day here, and it's really, really cool. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe, you know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.